Hi guys, welcome back to Make Money with Jay. I'm Jay, and today just a quick video. I noticed this morning when I went online that a couple of my Christmas KDP books have got sold, like within the last couple of days. Now we're only in August, so now maybe is the time to start making and creating your books, planning ahead anyway for your books in Christmas, like Q4. So like your Christmas colouring books, your activity books, puzzle books, dot-to-dot books, things like that, guys. And you don't even have to do just Christmas. You can do like Santa, you can do snowmen, you can do, I don't know, elf dot-to-dots, you can do elf colouring books, things like that. And then, but outside of Christmas, you can do like your evergreen niches, like, you know, like your standard colouring book, like your Cars colouring book, your Princess unicorns, you name it, guys. You can make colouring books because people are going to start buying gifts, they're going to start planning now, guys. So it's probably best now to start doing your research and looking into it and making those kind of books, because like I said, one of my colouring books and one of my planners sold, yeah, within the last couple of days, and I'm thinking, well, maybe it is the time to start making them. And if you look, a lot of my books, a lot of my videos here, let's get to it. Look, Christmas. A lot of my videos are about Christmas, and I know, like, look, party games, because I did a lot on Etsy and did a lot on Amazon last year. One of my brands is Christmas, yeah, so I made a lot, and I made a lot for that, yeah. I didn't bother making any evergreen at the time. I was just concentrating on Christmas, and yeah, it paid off. But then after Christmas, obviously I didn't have any evergreen, so I had to make evergreen stuff. But now's the time to start thinking about Q4. Yeah, it's the biggest time of the year for us, like publishers, like in terms of sales and revenue, stuff like that, guys. So yeah, start planning ahead. I know I'm going to be. I've already uploaded another book today, Christmas related. So yes, I just thought I'd let you know, guys, because you don't want to leave it too late and then lose out, do it, guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, thanks very much. Goodbye.